It is a quiet afternoon. Mike wants to send a message to an old friend. He hasn't seen them for a long time. He opens Line on his phone. He thinks for a moment. Then he starts to type. He writes a short message. He wants to say hello and catch up. He reads it back. It doesn't feel right. He deletes it. He tries again. This time, he asks his friend if they want to meet for lunch sometime. Then he stops. He remembers his friend is working that day. They probably don't have time for lunch. He deletes that message too. He puts his phone down. He thinks about it for a while. What is the right thing to say? Later in the afternoon, he picks up his phone again. He decides to try one more time. He writes a new message. He asks if his friend wants to catch up. He says the time is up to them. He reads it again. It sounds okay, but it feels a little cold. He deletes it. He puts his phone down again. He is not sure what to write. Then he has an idea. After work, he is going to a small bar near his office. He sometimes goes there alone for a drink. He writes a short message. He tells his friend where he will be after work. He invites them to come if they feel like it. He reads it one more time. This feels right. He presses send. That evening, Mike goes to the bar. He orders a drink and finds a seat near the window. He waits. He isn't sure his friend will come. Then the door opens. It is his friend. They smile and wave. They sit down together. It feels good to see them. They haven't talked properly in a long time. His friend says they were glad to get Mike's message. They had also been wanting to contact him, but they didn't know what to write either. Mike laughs a little. He thinks about all the messages he deleted that afternoon. His friend orders another drink. They stay for a long time. It is easy to talk. It always is.